So here we're going to show you how to use a browse form as a roster. There's a roster system I've made up a little bit earlier, but just to show how we can display the roster in a calendar, here you go. It looks a bit like a bad Tetris game, but it's got 31 days there, and so you can see what days have been staffed. Alright, there's a lot of code here that we don't have to worry about. There's an if statement that starts up the top if this form type's an edit, which it isn't, so we'll go to the else part, which is what would happen for a browse form. First thing we do is we've got a function here called new stop browse resize, so that'll stop it automatically changing to the size of the browser that you've got on the screen that you've got, and it will keep it to the sizes that have been set. Next of all, we're going to loop through all the cells that have a class of new cell even or new cell odd, and if they've got a 0, we're going to empty that, and if they've got a 1 in them, we're going to empty it, but we're going to change the background color. So it's all really quite simple. But what this has done is it means that now we can move on to actually creating a roster, as you see here. We'll do that next.